Trust is a fundamental component of any healthy relationship. When trust issues arise, they can create barriers that inhibit emotional connections and breed insecurity. Acknowledging the presence of these issues is the vital first step towards building a solid foundation of trust. By confronting your emotions openly and honestly, you empower yourself to take control of your relationships. Understanding the root cause of your trust issues is essential. Often, past experiences influence how we perceive and interact with others. Reflect on your previous relationships and evaluate how they shaped your beliefs about trust. Were there betrayals that left a mark? Did you witness trust being broken in your environment? Recognizing these influences can provide clarity and inform your approach to rebuilding trust. Communication plays a crucial role in overcoming trust issues. It is imperative to express your feelings and concerns to those you care about. Share your experiences and emphasize your desire for openness in your current relationships. A supportive partner or friend will appreciate your honesty and may also share their vulnerabilities, creating a secure space for both parties. Remember, vulnerability can foster deeper connections and promote healing. Building trust takes time and patience. Start with small steps, such as setting boundaries and being reliable. Consistency in your words and actions is vital in demonstrating your commitment to restoring trust. Celebrate small successes along the way. Every moment of honesty or assurance serves as a building block in your journey toward a more trusting relationship. It's important to cultivate self-trust too, which will aid your capacity to trust others as well. Additionally, practicing self-compassion can help alleviate the burdens brought on by trust issues. Acknowledge that healing is a process, and it's perfectly okay to feel uncertain along the way. Embrace your imperfections and allow yourself the grace to grow without judgment. Engaging in self-care activities can also foster resilience. Focus on activities that nurture your emotional health, such as journaling, therapy, or cultivating hobbies that bring you joy. Finally, remember that forgiveness, both of yourself and others, plays a pivotal role in healing from trust issues. Holding on to past grievances can weigh you down. By letting go, you will free yourself from the chains of mistrust and empower yourself to embrace new beginnings. Trusting again may seem daunting, but with time and effort, you can rebuild connections that are anchored in trust and authenticity.